Hi there and welcome to another hot sauce review. Now up today is one from a Big Dog Smoky Hot Sauce Company, and this is the Green Goblin. Now the first thing you'll notice is the colour, but then you notice everything there is floating about. It's a pulpy sauce, it looks like, but runny at the same time. Nice. So, let's have a look at the ingredients list. I've got it all here. First, you have smoked green cayenne, smoked habaneros, tomatillos, sweet onions, minced garlic, sea salt, brown sugar, white vinegar, lime juice, and lemon juice. That's your whack. It just sounds tasty when you read it off like that. So, let's see what Big Dog Green Goblin has in store for the big fella today. So, let's give it a good old shake it now. Let's get it warmed up. Get it. There you go. So, there you go. See that? Got a lovely little texture to it, and all the mix in there once again. Oh. Oh. You're getting that smokiness to it. Once you get in the garlic, oh, like it. This is definitely going to be an interesting one, because that smell is absolutely wonderful. Oh, let's get on the spoon. There's the pour, and honestly, the first thing you see is all those bits floating about. Oh, you're definitely getting the garlic. You're definitely getting the smokiness from it. So, Big Dog and the Green Goblin. What have you got in store for the big fella today? The first thing you get is flavour. That's lovely. Then in comes the habanero. That is nice. Very nice. I'll tell you something. This company, Big Dog, has not disappointed me in any of their sauces so far. Everything you get is flavour forward. Then the heat comes in. But I'll tell you what, it's flavour town in my mouth right now. You've got the peppers, you have that minced garlic. I think the lemon or the lemon juice is coming through as well. I'll tell you what. You could put that on anything. I'm going to have to put it down, or I'll be drinking the whole lot. You're definitely, as I say, you're definitely getting the habaneros. that smokiness is coming through it. But the minced garlic is there, the onions are there, the lemon or lime juice. I'm picking one of them up. Absolute flavour town. Well done, big dog. Honestly, that is a cracking sauce once again. I've not been disappointed in any of the sauces that I've had from there. The flavour, wow. The heat's not bothering me for a non-chili head. I'll say it again, depending on where you are on the whole bit of heat scale, might take it at 2, might. But for us chili heads, you're going to be sitting at a low 1 all the way. But I'm more interested in the flavour, and that has got it by the bucketful. Well done. One, I would definitely say, guys, get on your shopping list. The Green Goblin from Big Dog Smokey Hot Sauce Company in good old Canada. It's an absolutely cracking sauce, and one that I highly recommend you go out and buy. The flavour is still there yet. The heat didn't take it away. The heat's disappeared now. Well done. Roll on the next one.